Let's get into the bay. Diagnostics. Where does the time actually go on a hard one?
Most owners assume it's the tech being slow. It almost never is. It's the tab hunting. Your master tech is jumping between 4 different windows for one diagnostic code.
4 windows. Which ones?
ALLDATA, Mitchell 1, Identifix, and Motor. 4 logins, 4 separate searches for a single trouble code. And that's on every ticket that isn't a basic oil change. It adds up to real hours across a week.
And each of those has something the others don't, I assume. That's why they're paying for all 4.
Exactly. Identifix has the real-world confirmed fixes from other techs. ALLDATA and Mitchell have the OEM procedures. Motor has the specs. The tech needs all of it, so they tab between all of it. The knowledge isn't the problem. The hunting is.
So what does AutoAdvisor change?
You put all 4 professional databases behind one search. The tech types in the DTC once, say a P0301, a cylinder 1 misfire, and one query goes across all 4 sources and comes back with the confirmed fix and the verified procedure. No tabbing.
Hold on, though. If it's pulling from 4 sources, how does the tech trust the answer? I'd want to know where it came from.
And you should. It's not a black box that just says replace this. It shows the confirmed fix, how strong the match is, and which source it came from. So the tech can verify it in 2 seconds instead of reading for 10 minutes. The judgment stays with the tech. We just hand them the answer faster.
That's the part I'd worry about with AI in a shop. You don't want a confident wrong answer on a brake job.
That's the right worry, and it's exactly why I built it this way. At SpaceX and Tesla, you never let a model just assert something on a safety-critical system. It cites the source, and a human confirms. Same discipline here. The agent surfaces the verified fix. The tech makes the call.
So what does this actually do to the numbers? Faster diag is nice, but what's the business case?
2 things. Less time guessing means more billable hours in the bay. That tech is turning wrenches instead of reading screens. And you get fewer comebacks because the fix is confirmed the first time instead of being a best guess that didn't hold.
Comebacks are the silent killer, right? They don't show up as a loss. They just eat a bay.
They eat a bay. They eat the customer's trust, and they eat the tech's confidence. A confirmed first-time fix protects all 3. That's worth more than the time you save, honestly.
And this rides on top of the tools they already pay for? They keep their ALLDATA subscription?
Keep all of them. We're not replacing your data. We're unifying the search across it. You already pay for the 4 databases. We just make them act like one. It sits right on top of your shop software. Nothing ripped out.
Where can a tech actually see this work?
Live demo, no login, at autoadvisorpartners.com/demo. Run a code through it and watch it resolve. Then have us run a service drive audit on your real tickets, and we'll show you the time you're losing right now.